Hi guys, Miss Garza here for Try It Tuesday, and today we are going to try to make cloud dough, which is that really soft, awesome foldable stuff. So I found a recipe. I've never made it before. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but the first thing we're going to need is a bowl. Now I'm going to make a really tiny recipe because it's just for me. If you are someone with brothers or sisters, you can use more, so you would need a bigger bowl. All right, there's only 2 ingredients. The first one is flour, and the second one is oil, and I'm using vegetable oil. So I'm going to take my bowl, and I'm going to get 2 cups. So here's my cup. It's the big one. And I'm going to measure out 1. Hopefully this fits in my bowl. And 2. Woo, it's a full bowl. All right. All right, then what I'm gonna do is make a little crater, and I'm actually gonna use my other cup to do that. Kind of like a volcano, but not quite. All right, you can see right there, I've got a nice little hole in the middle. Probably should have used a bigger bowl. Let this be a lesson, you need a bigger bowl. And then I'm gonna do 1/4 of a cup. See, this is much smaller than my cup. And I'm gonna put the vegetable oil in it. Make sure you have an adult help you with this part. Pour it right into the middle of my little bowl. And then I'm gonna add 1 extra ingredient because I think that it smells bad. So I have a little bit of oil and it smells like lemons, and I'm gonna put just a little bit of drops in there so it smells a little bit better. And then I'm gonna mix. And we'll see how good this does. I really don't know. This is gonna be messy. This is another good reason, if you can see this mess that I'm making, for you to have an adult help you, or at least ask permission first, because you don't want anybody to get upset about a mess. So it's supposed to get nice and Play-Doh-y so that you could like make it into shapes and stuff like you would in a sandbox. So I think this is mostly mixed. Might need a little bit more oil. We're gonna see if I can make something out of it. Well, there's a little ball. Smells like lemons though. I will put the recipe, and I hope you enjoy experimenting making cloud dough. Bye.